Let's welcome our worthy guest of honor, Mr. Ashwini Kumar, to give away the awards to our young achievers from class 2nd, 3rd and 4th.
I request our respected headmistress ma'am, Mrs. Namita Raj Singh, to please escort sir. Please ma'am. Shall we have the curtain?
Don't be afraid to give your best to what seemingly are small jobs. And solo dance, 3rd in progress, 100% attendance and also participated in English poem recitation.
Next comes Mokshita Gupta of 2nd A, an outstanding performer, 2nd in Hindi storytelling, 2nd in progress, appreciation award in solo song and in English storytelling.
Vipul Arora of 2nd A has 100% attendance and is 2nd in blood donation drawing competition.
After Vipul, I call Pragati Jain of 2nd A. She had 100% attendance in the previous session.
Pushkar Gupta of 2nd A also has 100% attendance.
Chahat Makija of 2nd A was first in blood donation drawing competition.
Divanshi Brundhala of 2nd B is outstanding achiever, first in All India Camlin Color Contest, 2nd in On the Spot Drawing Competition, 2nd in Solo Dance, 2nd in English Paper Reading, 3rd in English Calligraphy, participated in English Poem Recitation and Progress.
Congratulations Divanshi. After Divanshi, I call Yuvika Quatra of 2nd B, an outstanding performer, first in Hindi calligraphy, 2nd in English storytelling, participated in English poem recitation, English paper reading and participated in progress.
Bhavesh Chadda of 2nd B was a regular student with 100% attendance in the last session.
Harshit Gupta of 2nd B is also a regular student with 100% attendance.
Manraj Singh of 2nd B also has 100% attendance. Dear audience, these children need your encouragement. Please clap loudly.
Manya Taneja of 2nd B also has 100% attendance award.
Mehul Ahuja of 2nd B also has 100% attendance.
Satvik Soon of 2nd B is also going to get the award for 100% attendance.
Moving on to class 3, Nimadeep Thakkar of class 3rd A is outstanding achiever, first in GK quiz, first in maths quest, first in All India Camlin Color Contest, participated in English poem recitation, group song and National Science Olympiad.
Navish Kansal of 3rd A, outstanding performer, participated in English creative writing, National Science Olympiad and in maths quiz.
Mayank Bisht of 3rd A also has 100% attendance.
Vaibhav Thakur of 3rd A also has 100% attendance award.
Yuvika Malhotra of 3rd A was a regular student with 100% attendance. Dear audience, please clap louder.
Khushi Gupta of 3rd B is an outstanding achiever, first in on-the-spot drawing competition, 3rd in 100-meter race, participated in English creative writing, National Science Olympiad, Hindi poem recitation and all held at RAS Jain Drishti Senior Secondary School.
Chahat Jain of 3rd B, outstanding performer, first in blood donation drawing competition, participated in National Science Olympiad, maths quiz and Hindi poem recitation.
Lavish Shamra of 3rd B is a regular student with 100% attendance. Yes, dear audience, your clap should not stop. Please applaud this young achievers.
Mayur Bisht of 3rd B has 100% attendance.
Navya Jain of 3rd B again gets the prize for 100% attendance.
Coming up next is Sia Bansal of 3rd B, again with 100% attendance.
Again I call our regular student Survi Kaushal of 3rd B with 100% attendance.
Moving on to class 4, Sanjana Gupta of class 4A is outstanding achiever, second in 100 meters race and participated in duet dance.
Charu Agarwal of class 4A, an outstanding performer and participated in English creative writing.
Punyagar of 4A is second in blood donation drawing competition and also has 100% attendance.
Ajitesh Gupta of 4th A has 100% attendance.
Next is Chirag Verma of 4th A, again with 100% attendance.
Divya Gupta of 4th A also had 100% attendance in the previous session.
Gurvansh Singh of 4th A again has 100% attendance.
Jaskirat Singh of 4th A will get the award for 100% attendance.
Manav Sagar of 4th A also has 100% attendance.
Sahil Gupta of 4th A will get the prize for 100% attendance in the previous session.
Dear audience, please clap louder. Satyam Behel of 4th A was a regular student with 100% attendance in the last session.
Stuti Jain of 4th A will get the prize for 100% attendance.
Yashil Gupta of 4th A also has 100% attendance.
Pratham Sood of 4th A will get the prize for 100% attendance.
Coming up next is Chirag Bateja of 4th B, is outstanding achiever, consolation prize in duet dance, participated in English poem recitation, GK quiz, and also in spoon and potato race.
Harshit Jain of 4th B, an outstanding performer, first in Hindi poem recitation, mono acting, second in GK quiz, and also participated in 100-meter race.
Kunal Pruthi of 4th B is outstanding performer, first in Hindi creative writing, first in GK quiz, on the spot drawing competition, and 100-meter race.
Anshita Gupta of 4th B, first in blood donation drawing competition.
Kamini Behel of 4th B has 100% attendance.
Diya Devgan of 4th B also has 100% attendance.
Guneet Kaur of 4th B was a regular student with 100% attendance in the last session.
Maitri Jain of 4th B will also get a prize for 100% attendance in the previous session.
Sneha Bhatta of 4th B also has 100% attendance. Thank you, sir, for doing the honors.
Thank you, ma'am.